We're here at Rare Pairs here in the Ocean County Mall here in New Jersey. We're gonna go sneaker shopping, and guess what, guys? We're gonna find some sneakers that could potentially triple in price. This is gonna be absolutely crazy. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, and make sure you guys join the More family. Smash that subscribe button. Let's take a look at the Jordan 4 section, because 4s are popping. We got the Craft 4s. This looks like a massive size. I'm not crazy about those, but these right here, these are fire, man. These have certainly went up in price. It's definitely a good shoe, a wearable, clean shoe. I like the military black 4s a lot. These are crazy good, and I'm very excited because next year, in just a few months, we're gonna get the military 4s with Nike Air on the back, and I cannot wait for that release. Those are gonna be crazy, definitely a must cop. Right here we have the Thunder. Whew, I absolutely love the Thunders. So happy they brought them back out. You know, these released in 2012 and 2006, and were just a great pair of 4s. I did have them in 2012, and it's good that they brought them back, as well as the Lightnings. You know, the Lightnings, this is definitely a coveted pair of Air Jordan 4s. Happy they brought them back, and you know, I could finally say years later, it took me a long time, but finally have the set, which is awesome. And then we have a Jordan 4 that I'm not too crazy about, the Midnight Navy 4s. They're cool. Reminds me a lot of the white cement 4, but I just prefer the white cement over the Midnight Navy hits, but still a clean, wearable Jordan 4 that did release, as well as the red cement 4s. Man, these have certainly dropped. You get them for basically around retail now, which is a really good price. If you're looking for a wearable, clean pair of Air Jordan 4s, I highly recommend the red cements, and prices, like I said, very good price point at around retail. Here we have a pair of Jordan 4s that I went viral on, actually, on Instagram Reels. The video got like over 1 million views, but these are absolutely crazy right here. I like these a lot. They remind me so much of the M&Ms. Prices went up a little bit, which I think was going to happen. I definitely thought that would happen. It's just a good pair. It's a wearable pair. Material is a little different of a switch up, but I think some people mess with it. It's just a good pair. They remind me a lot of the M&Ms, which are, of course, thousands of dollars, $10, $20, $30, $40,000 that we have. Whew. I love seeing them, man. I absolutely love the SB4s. I didn't at first. I absolutely hated the shoe at first, but as time went on, they just grew on me so much. It's a really good pair of Jordan 4s. One of the best releases here in 2023. Let me know down below in the comments if you were able to pick up a pair of the SB4s, because these weren't easy to get, that's for sure. Definitely not. Definitely a great pair of Jordan 4s. Don't sleep on the SB4s. What's up, guys? Do Not Sell tees are now live. Link down below in the description. ShopDannyMoore.com. The tees fit true to size, and somebody who cops a t-shirt is going to receive a pair of Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s with their t-shirt. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Click the link down below. ShopDannyMoore.com. Do Not Sell tees now live. Hurry up, go cop before they sell out. These are so much better than Nike Dunks. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you agree. What's a better overall sneaker? Quality, materials, storytelling, everything, packaging, just everything overall as a sneaker. What's better, the Nike SB Dunk Low or the regular Nike Dunk Low? Let me know down below in the comments. For me, by far, Nike SBs. Just the storytelling, the quality, details. Even though I don't like this colorway, I just prefer SBs over something like the regular Nike Dunk. I just do. I think the quality's better, materials, everything's just a better shoe. Retails a little more by like 10, 20 bucks. Nothing too crazy. It's just overall much better of a sneaker. And right here we have a sneaker that I keep seeing. I really do want to get them, to be honest. It is an Oregon Duck colorway, a PE at that, and these were available only on GOAT, which is sick. And they do have a bunch of details. These are a size 10 for $400. Not bad. This is definitely a rare shoe. You don't see these very often. GOAT exclusive. We have two pairs of 85 highs that I really need to get. I'm sleeping on myself. They are OG colorways. We have the black and white. This is definitely a good pair. Prices, man, are not too high either. Definitely a great pair of Air Jordan 1s. Man, these are definitely slept on. $350, not bad. $340, not bad. It's definitely a good pair of Air Jordan 1s. They're wearable. Quality is not great compared to regular Jordan 1s because it's better leather. It's just stiffer, that's all. But right here we have another pair of the 85 highs. These are the white and neutral gray. Man, these are just clean. I love the lows. I have the lows. I wear them all the time. I definitely need to get me a pair of the high 85s. I want to take a look at some Air Jordan 1s because I love the Air Jordan 1. We have some recent Palomino Air Jordan 1s, and then right here we have one of the best Air Jordan 1s that's released in a handful of years, the Mocha Air Jordan 1. Prices, man, they're basically triple retail. Double retail in smaller sizes, triple retail almost in the bigger sizes. Let me know down below in the comments. Do you think they're worth it at that resale price? And do you guys think the Mochas will actually double in price from what they're at right now? I could potentially seeing it happening one day. It'll take years from now, don't get me wrong, but one day they could definitely go up even more than they have. The Mochas, I absolutely love the Mocha ones. Fire, absolutely fire. $530 for this 10.5. I need a new pair, man. My pair is beat. We got some fire Bear Bricks in this case. Cause Bear Bricks, very, very dope. Very sick. And then right here we have, we got some heat, we got some off-whites in here, but there we go. The sneaker I want to talk about right there, the J Balvin Air Jordan 3. Could they potentially triple in price? They're basically almost double retail right now. Could they go to $750? Who knows? It's possible. You know, this sneaker definitely surprised me. I think surprised a lot of people. But right here they do have, oh man, the Black Hats. I miss them. I regret sleeping so hard on the Black Hat 4s. Let me know down below in the comments if you slept on the Black Hat 4s like I did. And we have the Travis Scotts. I certainly didn't sleep on those. I hit on the Travis website. I love them. And we have, Trophy Room 5s. I need them. Definitely need those grails right there. They have so many grails in this case. But yeah, let me know down below in the comments. Do you guys think the J Balvins, will they go up? Could they triple from retail price? They're almost double, slightly under double. Could they go triple retail? Let me know down below in the comments. Travis Scott olives in the display case. And if you guys look, Travis Scott olives on my feet. Fire. And they also have some other great Travis Scotts. We got the Black Phantoms, Reverse Mochas, and of course, the Fragments, my favorite one. Then we got the OG Highs. I have those. Fragments. This shoe escaped me. I did have it, but I sold it like a dummy. And then we got the Unions, Off-Whites, more Off-Whites. We got the Trophy Room. I have those. 2015 Chicago and 2016 Bread. I have those as well. Make sure you guys check out Rare Pairs here at the Ocean County Mall. They have it all. Great prices. Very, very awesome sneaker store. They have tons and tons of stock. Yeah, make sure you guys check out this store. Plenty of heat. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys agree. Do you guys think maybe the J Balvin, will they triple in price? Or will the Mocha ones possibly triple? Let me know down below in the comments. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, join the More family. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.